Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the best fonts for headers in 2022, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first on the list is going to be Exquisite. This is one of my personal favorites out of all of them. I use it all the time with rapper headers, normal social media headers, everything. And yeah, all around just my favorite font. And yeah, let's go on to the next one. Alright, so the next font is going to be Lordish. This is a good font for anime headers and probably rapper headers too, and maybe social media headers as well. Alright, so the next font is going to be Hanson. This is a good header for literally anything. If you guys want to make a social media header, rapper header, anime header, Fortnite header, whatever, it doesn't really matter. This is a really good font, really wide, so it fills up space, and yeah, definitely worth checking out. And yeah, on to the next one. Alright, so next font is going to be Akira Expanded. If you guys like the wide fonts like the last one, this is definitely for you. Like I said before, anime, rapper, social media, Fortnite banners, whatever you want to make, Akira Expanded has you covered. So the final font is going to be Cool Verde. In fact, it's going to be Cool Verdica. This is a clean ass font. If you guys are looking for that clean look, you should definitely download this. And yeah, it goes with Fortnite headers, social media headers, rapper headers. Alright, so that's all the fonts for the video. If you guys did enjoy this video, or if you guys did find a new font that you like, and it might be your favorite font, who knows, leave a like, comment your favorite font actually, let me know. And if there's a font I left out and you think I should include, I'm gonna make a part 2 soon. So comment down below your favorite font and I'm gonna, check it out. If I like it, I'll probably put it in the video. And yeah, that's it for today. Peace.